Want to know how to install Everlast Advanced Composite siding like a pro without turning your house into a mess? Alright, so first things first, you gotta get your measurements right. Measure the height and width of your walls to figure out how much siding you need. Make sure your wall surface is clean and dry before you start. Moisture is the enemy here, you know? Next, grab a chalk line to snap straight lines on your walls, because keeping your panels level is key for that clean look. When you start nailing the siding, leave a tiny gap around each nail hole so the panels can expand and contract with the weather that keeps things from buckling later. Overlap your panels according to the instructions, usually about 1 inch, so water doesn't sneak behind and cause damage. Remember to cut panels with a fine-tooth saw to avoid chipping or cracking the material. Seal all your edges with a good quality exterior sealant to keep moisture out, especially around windows and doors. Last but definitely not least, always wear safety goggles and gloves when handling the siding to keep yourself safe during the whole process. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with Everlast Advanced Composite siding is ignoring proper wall prep. If your surface isn't clean and dry, the siding won't stick well and can trap moisture, causing mold or rot. Fix this by taking your time to prep thoroughly. Another common issue is overdriving nails or not leaving room for expansion, which leads to warped or cracked panels. Just remember to leave that little gap and use nails that are recommended for this siding type. Lastly, people sometimes skip sealing the edges or use cheap sealants, which lets water seep in and wrecks the siding over time. Always go for high-quality exterior sealants, and be thorough around tricky spots like corners and window frames. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful if you want to find trusted local contractors who know how to install Everlast Advanced Composite siding without any hassle. Plus, if you are a contractor looking to get more work, it's a great platform to connect with homeowners eager for projects.